Students, Assalamu alaikum. We are studying the careers in biology, and today our career is agriculture. As its name shows, it is related with the plants, mainly with crops and livestock, the animals which we kept for better food for us. Now, after studying biology in higher classes, the student can take admission in agriculture universities and take the degree of agriculturist. Agriculturists may get job in different fields. For example, in agriculture departments, the agricultural problems are solved, and in veterinary the veterinary hospitals are present, in which veterinary doctors are present, and they treat the livestock and the domestic and pet animals. They treat the domestic and pet animals. They can also take job in pharmaceutical mean the industries where medicines are made. The research is done and medicines are reached up to the patients through doctor and medical reps. Farming is also a profession. When the student study in agriculture university, he may get the job in a farming or may develop a farmhouse. In farming are of two types: dairy farms are and poultry farms. These two farms provide us food. Agricultural banks are also present, in which the students get jobs. Agriculture banks are giving money to the farmers and for the benefit of mankind, to grow more crops, better crops, to fulfill the needs of people. So all this topic is profession. It is related with the plants and the livestock, and a student can get jobs in different fields: in pharmaceutical, in veterinary, in banks. And बस मैं अब नेक्स्ट शुरू करूँगी. Okay students, our next career is the animal science. Animal science is also named as the animal husbandry. As its name shows, it is concerned with the animals. Animals mainly are those animals which are the domestic animals. These animals are kept in homes and farmhouses for the need of food. These animals, they are present in the farmhouses. Especially it deals with this animal science. It deals with the breeding term means producing young ones of the animals which give us food, like cow, buffalo, sheep, etc. And raising of livestock means to improve the quality of animals and plants. Improve the quality of animals mean we should produce the healthy animals and produce those animals which give us more milk and meat, and they are free from the disease. These are the raising of livestock. Now this education is given in many universities, and after graduate of these cases may get job in veterinary hospitals, pharmaceutical industries, livestock department and pet food industry, etc. Next career is the horticulture. Horticulture is the agriculture of plants, mainly for food material. But a student when take the knowledge or education of horticulture, it tend to plants in a garden, maybe for the comfort, maybe for the beauty or decoration. Horticulturists apply knowledge, skills and technologies to produce plants for human food. They work as gardeners, growers, designer and technical advisor in the food. After higher secondary education, you can opt for a professional course in horticulture. Horticulturists can open business and find jobs in fruits and vegetables productions, landscape design, nurseries, gardens, pest management, etc. Topic is forestry. Forestry mean, as it shows, it is these are the knowledge of the forest. Forest, as all you know that how forests are important for us. We get wood to burn, we get timber for making furniture and building, we also get food and medicine. Forest is also important because it give us fresh air, mean oxygen, and prevent us from flood. There are many benefits of forest. When a student have the knowledge of biology, he may get a job which is concerned with managing forests and growing more forest, and also protect the trees from timber mafia which cut the trees for easy cash. This profession is named as forestry, and the person is said to be forest officer. He can also work for biodiversity, mean the animals and plant naturally which are present in the forest. They are named as the biodiversity, and this student may get job in the wildlife department in which he care the wildlife. Forests Forestry is a profession in which the forests are managed. They timbers are produced, grow more forest to fulfill the needs of the growing population, and recreation is maintained, and also the biodiversity is maintained. So forestry, horticulture, farming, they are all related with the agriculture. They are related with the plants. The main aim of all these professions are to grow more food, to grow plants, and maintain the forests, and also the produce more livestock, healthy livestock, to produce more food for the mankind. Farming is the next profession, and it also a very important profession because our today's needs totally depend upon the animals and plants. From animals we get meat, we get milk. So animals, they are kept in farmhouses. In farmhouses there is a need to maintain a healthy environment in which the animals, they are free from the disease, and one aim is that they the number is uh, rise to fulfill the needs of the people. In farmhouses, farms which are developed, they are the poultry and dairy farms. In poultry farms, you all know that chickens are produced, they are kept here. All the favorable conditions are applied to them, like normal temperature, healthy food, and vaccines to protect them from disease. We get hens and eggs from poultry farms. A biology student, after doing professional course in agriculture or animal husbandry, can adopt this field. In dairy farms, livestock means domestic animals like cows, buffaloes, and sheep are kept. The biologists take care of the animals to get more and healthy food. Selective breeding is a term which is used. Selective breeding means the animals which are more healthy, they are allowed to breed, so the animals which are produced, they are healthy and free from disease. This can only be done when the person has a knowledge of biology. So farming is a very important profession which can adopt a student of biology because he or she has a knowledge of animals and plants, so he can be better care the plants and animals, especially the animals.